Hey everyone, we're just showing a TLS caliper kit we finished up today. This customer also sent his OEM rear calipers in for a full rebuild, and we got everything powder coated to match. So this is a 4-corner matching setup, and of course with the front setup he has our TLS setup, which is a 4-piston big brake caliper upgrade. These are spec'd for Acura RSX fitment. Our TLS caliper kit fits a lot of Honda and Acura 5-lug vehicles. Uses the Acura TL Type S 4-piston caliper, which is modified to be a direct fit bolt-on application to your vehicle, and is 100% reversible in the future if you end up parting out the car or needing to sell it for whatever reason. You're not making any permanent changes to the chassis itself. So that helps you just revert back to stock if needed. Hardware, all brand new, includes 4 caliper bolts, new pad clips and pins, and you'll need a set of rotor shims that we include as well. And these shims are just needed to perfectly set the geometry offset of the TLS rotors to get them to work properly on your specific vehicle. Rotors and pads aren't included. We leave that up to you. Every customer has a different use case for their vehicle, so we recommend going to buybrakes.com or your favorite website to order these parts. You can get anything as long as they're TLS specification parts. So a lot of our customers go with like Stop Tech our EBC pads and rotors. So a lot of choices there. We're not going to go too deep into that, but this is just an overview of this build that was finished up for this specific customer. Powder coating options, of course, we have tons of different colors to choose from, and again, these are shocker yellow. So if you have a 5-lug Honda or Acura looking for a front caliper upgrade, definitely check us out. Our TLS caliper kit will more than likely fit your car, and we can get the rears done as well in the powder coat and have everything matching for you. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.